Open Discord and select any server you have. Then click on Settings and Edit Channel. Go down until Region Override and choose a region that is as close as possible to where the most of the members of the server are. Now click on Bitrate and decrease it to 55. Now go to the main panel and click on User Settings and go to Voice and Video. Here you have to make sure of deactivate Quality of Service. And then you have to go to Audio Subsystem and put Legacy. Now in your computer you have to search for Command Prompt and run as administrator. And here you have to copy and paste code I just put on the screen. Now you have to go to Wi-Fi settings and make sure of deactivate VPN and also proxy. Now you have to go to Google and search Drive Easy and install the free version of this application. And when it's ready you have to click on Scan Now and look for the update that is free. Then you have to click on Continue and follow these steps. Now search on your computer the control panel and you have to click on View Network Status and Tags. Now click on Change Adapter Settings and click on Wi-Fi. Now click on Properties and click on Internet Protocol version 4 and Properties. Now you have to copy two codes. The first one is 8888 and 8844. And for the last step you have to go to Windows Defender and click on Allow an app or feature. Then you have to click on Change Settings and search the Discord app. Now deactivate private and public.